Afternoon guys, it's Billy from Willsecure Systems, dashcam specialists in Doncaster. Now today we're installing front and rear cameras to this brand new XC40. This is a camera that we previously installed to the customer's last vehicle. He swapped over cars, so we've taken it out of his old car and we're putting it into his new one. So we've already installed the rear camera. As you can see, it's nice and neatly up the top, so my job now is to get the cable from the back to the front. Right guys, there you have it. This lovely new Volvo has now been installed with a front and rear dash camera, and we've also installed a backup battery which is going to extend that parking mode feature that you've got. As you can see, the camera fits nice and neatly in the vehicle, so if you're looking for a dash camera or you've got one that you want help fitting, then give us a call and we'll help you out. Thank you for watching.